Today I wanted to do a quick comparison between the Mazda OEM filter and a Purolator Boss PBL 14612, which is the replacement for this. Because I noticed when I was doing an oil change and put this in yesterday, I couldn't get my ratchet on my drain bolt because there wasn't enough room. So I had to actually take the filter off first with this thing here. I said they must be a different size, and then you look at them and they actually are. So I brought my electronic digital caliper to take a couple measurements. I want to get the height of the Mazda filter first. Okay, let's get this first. Okay, 6.79, and for the Purolator Boss, 75.9. Quite a difference. So that was why that happened. I presume they're the same width, but let's just check. Purolator Boss. Okay. And the Mazda OEM. I really never noticed that this Purolator was so much larger. So we'll see how it works out.